Good morning, guys. It is the 29th, I believe, on Wednesday, April 29th. And I'm vlogging on my phone today because I haven't exported the footage out of my camera yet. And so you're gonna get a phone vlog today, back to the old days. And I just woke up. It is 10:43 a.m. because I overslept and I went to bed very late last night at like 2:30. And I guess I just needed the sleep. So this morning, I wrote myself a to-do list last night because I knew I'd be very scatterbrained this morning. And I've already charged my watch, I've already charged my camera. I need to edit the vlog from yesterday. I need to work on coding for the cell project I'm working on, and then I need to try on these clothes. But I'm in my pajamas right now, so what better time than to try on clothes now. So I'm just gonna put each of these on. I have one graduation dress and then two white shirts to go for like a more business casual or formal look on Friday for my senior design conference. So we're gonna put them on and let's see what they look like. Here is the first shirt. It's surprisingly, is it see-through? I can't tell. I don't think it's see-through, but it definitely needs to go through the wash and it's a little staticky, but it's okay. I think this one should work. And I would put like pants or a black skirt on with it. This is another one of the shirts. This is an S. The other one was an M, but they feel the same. This one may or may not be a little more see-through than the other one. And it honestly is a little longer, but we'll see. They're interesting. This one doesn't have like the weird like blouse looking. I think it's just like a t-shirt. But why is it so big? Like, it doesn't fit right. This is the dress. Surprisingly, the dress is not see-through, which I thought of everything, this would be the most see-through. That's just like, because it's a little too big. So I probably need to order a smaller size. But it's actually pretty good. I might actually keep this one. I don't know about the shirts though. Those were a little see-through and a little odd. So we'll see what I do about that. But that's a try-on haul for this morning. All right, I'm back to my normal clothes, which is I don't know, long sleeve shirt and some sweatpants. And I have 5 minutes. It's 10:55 now. I have 5 minutes until I need to leave for my 11:15 psych discussion, which is the only class I have today. Because my clinical applications of biomedical design class was canceled because we had our last quiz on Monday, so we don't have class today. And so I have some extra time to work on the code, thankfully. But I'm gonna quickly look up how to return this dress and get a smaller size, and maybe the shirts too, just to like sort this all out so that I can get this done today. Because I technically need the shirts by Friday, so I don't even know if they would come in time if I return the shirts. But I do have other options for senior design day if needed, but I'm gonna return this dress for sure and get a smaller size because I think I ordered an L and I probably should have ordered an S. Alright, I decided I'm gonna return the dress and then one of the shirts, and I'm gonna return these to Whole Foods. I think that's how this works. So I'm gonna bring them with me. And then I'm gonna head out to class now. It is 11:05 and my class starts at 11:15. So I shall make it.
You up with my
girlfriend looks like
awesome.
girlfriend looks like she just came back hiking or backpacking.
You can see my detergent spilling that happened in the morning.
Oh.
It got everywhere.
Alright, I am on my way to class. It is, oh shoot, forgot my watch. Oh, I can't live without my watch these days. Gotta go back and get it. I taught Rumi how to do squats the other day. Look at her go with the heavy pack. She's gonna like tip over.
It looks really heavy, but it's not.
Alright, technically I don't even need to go to this psych discussion. Also, I got my watch, by the way. But I don't need to go to the psych discussion because I already have gone enough and it's not counted for attendance. It's just like my morals telling me to go. But I figured it's the only class I have today, and it's only an hour, so I may as well get out of the house. What are the chances I can walk half of campus in 5 minutes? Because that is when my discussion starts. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good outside. It smells like garlic green beans. Anyways, I shall stop talking and walk briskly to class. They're doing the constructions and it is already 11:15, so I'm definitely late for class, but it's okay. What could we be discussing today anyways on the last week of class? The joys of the psych basement. It was like a high school.
I think the research around that might be changing. It's for like exposure therapy. You don't jump to the top, you go to the top.
I just finished class and I'm gonna go back outside and I'm probably gonna take the BU bus to the nearest stop near Whole Foods and then just walk from there. Whole Foods was the nearest return location. Maybe not like the absolute closest, but it's close enough. It's near Northeastern and they're like waterfall, so it's definitely like gettable by bus. Look at all the construction. That's crazy. The green line is getting like construction done on it, so they replaced the green line with all of these yellow buses. It's pretty. My psych discussion was actually kind of fun today because we played Jeopardy. It was a good review, a good way to review. I'll give it to them for being creative. We're on the bus. Gonna take it to, I don't even know what T stop it is, but then we walk backwards to go to Whole Foods. We're walking over to Whole Foods now. Whole Foods, we made it. I like how everything's so walkable. There's pre-made food too. The shelves are so high, like I'm not tall enough. We found the return place. They made this for dummies. It's foolproof. I never knew that Whole Foods was so cute. This is where my roommate got Alex's birthday cake. The mango yuzu cake. But they have a lot of options. I've never been to Whole Foods, so all this pre-made food actually looks really good. It's cool. I didn't know they had pre-made food. I thought it was a regular grocery store. These are Hannah's favorite odd-looking oranges, and they have them here. We're on the hunt for the letter animal cracker things that Hannah used to give me, but cannot find them. We're at the bus stop. The bus comes in 5 minutes, which is good. And we can admire the pretty little garden back here, which maybe I'll take grad photos at. It's actually really pretty. Last time I was here was taking Sharon's kid on a walk in their stroller in here. We're on the bus on the way back to campus. Successful afternoon. We have made it back on campus. Got off the bus. I know. It's pretty. The leaves are, or the flowers are starting to fall. But we're gonna go make lunch now and then work on the code. Just finished making lunch. It's like a spread, like a picnic spread. But there's a whole stack of pancakes, compote, random like hummus and vegetables. So we have the vegetables and the hummus. And then we made gnocchi with pesto. And then avocado and toast and the momofuku on top, and then grapes and smoothies. Done eating. We're working on code now, or I'm working on code. Daniel's being lazy, but I have the spinning wheel of doom and the only thing I can do is move the windows around, but I can't close or click any of the buttons, so it's funny. Checking my emails. There's more about move out and like Goodwill stuff. And like fun events for the end of the semester. No, it's the last day of classes. Oh, is this tomorrow? Oh yeah. It is 5:50 now. When I said I was gonna get work done, I ended up falling asleep. So I took a nap and now I'm gonna do work. This is so funny. What is it counting? We have a breakthrough where it is correctly counting, unlike this one. Now it is correct. I'm a genius for thinking of changing the filter instead of messing with the thresholds. But yippee. I'd also like to note that it is 10:41 and it has taken us no short of 6 hours to figure this out. We're almost done, just changing one last like interface part, and then I'm gonna show it to my PI tomorrow and see what thinks. It's not perfect, but it looks definitely a lot better than earlier today. It is 11, I think, and we're walking back to my apartment now. We finished what we needed to do with the code, which is very good. And yeah, I'm going to maybe edit the vlog from yesterday or maybe just go straight to bed. We'll see. Look, it's misting. I just made it back. My roommates probably are asleep already. So I'm gonna end it here and I'll probably vlog tomorrow, which is the last day of classes. And maybe I'll be taking a couple pictures. But yeah, this was a very long, productive day, which I didn't film much of because it was just like repetitively changing threshold and mask like numbers and stuff on the code, but it ended up working out, so I'm really happy. And yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.